Hi everyone, I'm Prachi and welcome back to Sublime Life's YouTube channel, your one-stop destination for all the things skin, hair, makeup and more. In the booming world of curly hair care tips, tricks and advices, it can get very confusing to understand what mistakes to avoid. Whether you are a new to curly hair journey or if you are an experienced person who has been doing their routine for a while, these are the few mistakes that all of us curlies wants to steer clear from. Here are 5 curly hair mistakes that you need to avoid. The first mistake is detangling your hair when it's dry. To brush or not to brush, that is the question. The rule is that you should never brush your curls when they are dry. This can not only cause your hair to break, but it can also form knots in your hair which can lead to more damage. There are specialized brushes and wide tooth combs which are created to work the product through your hair while it's wet or if you are in shower. Use leave-in conditioners and hair butters to detangle your hair and to get rid of all the knots that had caused. This gives you enough slip and moisture to style further. Always remember, while detangling, always start from the ends of your hair and work your way up to the roots. The second mistake is waiting too long to apply your styling products. Caring for your curls can be a process, and each step you take can make a difference between a frizz or a damaged hair. You always need to remember that you have to apply your styling products when your hair is wet or damp and before the frizz sets in. Even if you are rushed or you don't have much time on your hand, you always need to at least apply one product to get not very defined curls but manageable curls. We love True Frog leave-in conditioner to detangle and moisture the hair, followed by the True Frog styling volumizing mousse to give your curls some definition and a light to moderate hold. Again, this is my personal choice and I love it the way I apply it. So you can go and make your own routine. The third mistake is not using a clarifying shampoo. Now you must be wondering, curly girls already use a lot of products, then why is this a must? Now let me break it down for you. Your scalp health pretty much determines your overall hair health. If your scalp is dirty or has a lot of product built up, considering that we already use a lot of products on the hair such as creams, gels, etc., your scalp tends to get a lot of built up, and a clarifying shampoo is a must because it breaks and gets rid of the product built up. We definitely love the Manetain clarifying shampoo, which is great to use once a week along with your normal shampoo for a quick refresh. The fourth mistake is using too much heat on your hair. We may love to straighten or blow dry our curls, but there is such a thing as too much heat. Heat can make your hair frizzy and unmanageable, especially if it is humid outside. Styling tools like straightener has the ability to permanently damage or change your curl patterns if you use it too often. If you decide to straighten or blow dry out your hair, you always want to make sure that you are using a good heat protectant on your hair. A heat protectant can prevent the heat from causing the permanent damage on your hair and will add a vital moisture to your curls. The fifth mistake is not protecting your hair when you sleep at night. Now, if you have curly hair, your sleep is not just sleep. You need to make sure that you are using satin pillowcases, scarves or bonnets to preserve the curl patterns that you have. Now you must be thinking, why satin? So cotton pillowcases actually take out the moisture from your hair and leaving it more frizzier and unmanageable. This way the satin actually helps you preserve the curl patterns for longer period of time. So we hope that this helps you. These are some game changers for me. So let us know about your tips and tricks in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, bye.